Donald Trump is a name that needs no introduction. He was the 45th President of the United States, a former host of a reality TV show, a billionaire real estate tycoon, and so much more. According to Forbes, the estimated net worth of Donald Trump is $3.1 billion. So how does he spend these billions? What's the luxurious lifestyle of Donald Trump like? On what luxuries does he spend his money? During the presidential election, he spent millions on different campaigns. According to campaign finance disclosures released in 2016, Trump used $66 million of his own money for his presidential campaign, though he did boast that he was going to spend $100 million. Trump's biggest campaign expenses ended up being the $192 million that he spent on traditional digital and online advertising. Amazing, right? So what are some of the other ways he spends his money and sets himself apart from other billionaires? Let's find out. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to discuss the billionaire lifestyle of former President of the United States, Donald Trump. So make sure to watch the video till the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. Donald Trump is a big fan of air travel, as he reportedly spends $26 million in this area. Trump has a fleet of personal aircraft, including a commercial-sized plane, 3 helicopters, and a corporate jet. The Boeing 757 is the largest one in his collection, which he bought for $100 million back in 2010. His Cessna jet was reportedly purchased for $15.3 million. The 3 Sikorsky helicopters he owns were bought for between $5 million and $7 million each. He completely renovated the interior of the Boeing 757 by adding a bedroom and 24-karat gold fixtures. According to the New York Times, the 757 is a gas guzzler that costs thousands of dollars every hour it's in flight. The former president is also well known for his properties, and one of them is the famous 5th Avenue Trump Tower, which, yes, a billionaire like him can easily afford. It's a 3-story penthouse on the top 3 floors that's fit for a king, designed by Angela Dong Jia. The place boasts marble floors and walls, as well as gold-trimmed furniture. It also has crystal chandeliers and frescoed ceilings throughout. The place is reportedly worth somewhere between $64 and $100 million. Trump also owns another big mansion that he barely ever uses, a Beverly Hills home on Rodeo Drive. With 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, 2 kitchens, and a fireplace, it was predicted that he would have paid $7 million in cash for the property back in 2007. Other than these, what are other things he spends his billions on? We will discuss them further, so make sure you watch until the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. Trump also spends a large sum of his money on his closet, which is full of fashionable outfits. He is known to wear Italian-made Brioni suits that retail for between $5,000 and $7,000 each. According to the company, Trump has been a paying customer for years, and all of his suits are bespoke. His wife Melania also has expensive taste. On her birthday, Trump gave her a diamond ring worth $750,000. She was also once spotted wearing a floral Dolce & Gabbana jacket worth $8,000. Interesting, right? By the way, they do seem to love traveling for fun. In fact, it is rumored that Trump paid anywhere between $1 and $3.6 million for one of his trips. Sometimes, Trump's personal travel has been viewed as controversial too, as according to an NBC report, throughout his first 719 days in office, he spent 218 days at his different properties. The majority of these days were spent at his Mar-a-Lago club in Palm Beach, Florida, which he purchased for around $10 million. Before converting it into the Mar-a-Lago club, he used this mansion as a residence for 8 years. His family maintains private quarters in a separate, closed-off area of the house and grounds. Trump also likes to visit his private golf club in New Jersey. During 12 golf trips made in the USA, it was reported that $60,000 alone was spent on golf carts for the Secret Service agents who had to accompany him on the golf course. That's all for today, guys. What did you think about Donald Trump's billionaire lifestyle? Which of his spending habits surprised you the most? Tell us in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned. And don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.